The nerve-wracking day wasn't just on Wall Street. Consumers will soon be feeling the pinch. In fact, you may already be paying more for things like meat, fish, alcohol, electronics, cleaning products like soap, even perfume. ABC 15's John Treeweiler joining us live to explain and break down what the trade war really means for all of us. John?
Yeah, Katie and Steve, if you follow the stock market, you couldn't miss the Dow plummeting today. But if you don't follow the stock market, do you really care about all of this? Well, you might want to, because if a trade deal is not reached, you'll be paying a lot more for certain things like you mentioned, whether you invest in the market or not. It was excitement during the opening bell on the New York Stock Exchange, and that was about it, as the Dow would take an all-day plunge, a direct result of the new tariffs implemented by President Trump on China.
What I'm doing now with China should have happened many years ago.
But the market plunge we saw today isn't necessarily a bad thing. Local economist and accountant Robert Hockensmith explains.
The tariffs just started on Friday. So the stock market is saying, oh my goodness, this is going to be terrible. And so they've dropped 600 points for different companies in the Dow.
But if a deal is not reached right away, consumers could notice price hikes in products like smartphones, computers, televisions, fitness trackers, and more. In fact, Hockensmith says now could actually be a good time to buy certain electronics and consumer products.
Buying it now would be better than buying it later, so that if this trade war is protracted and it lasts longer than we think it's going to last, yes, you'll pay less now if you buy the product than if you buy it in the future.
And exactly how long will these tariffs implemented on China last, and will this trade war come to an end?
Once they see that we're serious, once they see that they're actually having to pay this, in about a month, they're going to want to sit down and talk to us, pretty seriously about trade deal.
And in about a month, President Trump will meet face-to-face with the Chinese president at the G20 summit in Japan. That will happen in late June. Hockensmith adds that with the market the way it is right now, it's actually a good time to invest in tobacco and banks. Live in Phoenix today, I'm John Treeweiler, ABC 15, Arizona.